Let's go, man. Let's go. Let's go.
We got hard. Like I said, we fight. We don't give up. We don't take a crap from anybody. I mean, we just fight. We just want to do it for the city.
I've been super blessed this year, and just to have the chance to go to playoffs with this awesome team, and have the success that we've been having. Let's go. I mean,
Actually, we knew what we was capable to do out there, and we show up actually how we do it. So today was great. We stayed together, and we're more to come.
It's an incredible group, incredible coaching staff, and these parties are fun, so we're going to continue this for as long as we can.
Yeah, you know what? It feels good, man. I tell you what, it feels real good to be a part of a winning team like this. A team that I can look in the eyes and think we have a real good chance to win the whole thing. It's cold in the teeth. It's cold in the teeth.
Enjoy yourself.